Hi, this is Gerald Salenti. It's Thursday, October 29th, 2020, and here are some of today's trends in the news. And I got to tell you the big news. I took the Friendly Skies of United. Went down to Florida over the weekend to visit a dear friend of mine. It was her 90th birthday. Lovely, lovely woman, Chris Hillsman. Great to me. They lived in Chicago. I wanted to pay respect, so I flew down United. And, I'm a hardworking guy. I flew first class. This is what I got from United for first class. The Friendly Skies? How about the FU Skies? I spent all this money, and they give me a package of crap. And you know the bullshit they're selling? This is the bullshit. Well, we got to save you from the virus. We got to save you from the virus. So we're feeding you crap. No, they're doing it because they're losing billions of dollars and they're screwing the customers. So here's you, little boy running United, up yours for screwing me out of my money, and I want it back. But by the way, I ate the crap. Not really, the nuts. The first one I got was almonds and potato chips and beef jerky. Yeah, jerky you. Who's going to eat that crap? So I pretended I was eating it so I wouldn't have to wear the mask. Because when you eat, you don't have to wear the mask. But when you stand up, you got to wear the mask. And if you're not eating, you got to wear the mask. They're making this crap up. As they're taking off the airlines, we're going to leave row one by one, blah, 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 because what the hell are you talking about? Everybody's packed into this damn thing, and you're going to tell me you're social distancing? You got freaks and fools and thieves. United, Friendly Skies, FU Skies. But now on to the trends in the news, some other news. Hey, the markets went up a little bit today. You know why? Because they're phony as crap, just like United and everybody else that's screwing us. It's a rigged game. Everybody knows it. You read Greg Manarino's articles. You read all the information in the Trends Journal. 92 pages, the last Trends Journal. No other magazine like it in the world. Everything that's going on now, we've said would happen. Oh, it's a V-shaped recovery. Yeah, FU V-shape. There is no recovery. So the markets today, they went up a little bit. They were down terribly yesterday. Wall Street staged a modest rebound on Thursday on the back of better-than-expected U.S. gross domestic product and jobless claim data. You know what that is?
Bullshit.
You got it. And what do we got? Oil prices. This is the one to look for, man. Look where oil prices are. Now they're hitting into the 30s. There's a global recession going on. All these oil-rich companies and the poor oil-rich companies are going down big time. War is going to break out in the Middle East. War is going to be breaking out all over where these oil-rich companies are, and it's going down big time. Oil prices fell more than 3% on Thursday, extending the previous day's sharp decline on potential impact of renewed coronavirus lockdowns will have on oil demand. No kidding. Can't figure it out. Thanks for telling me. Both contracts plunged by more than 5% on Wednesday. With COVID-19 cases surging across Europe, France will require people to stay at home for all but essential activities from Friday. Yeah, you know the bullshit's essential activities? You could open up the booze stores. Yeah, that's okay, because we make a lot of taxes from the liquor stores, so they're making this crap up. Just like they had us hiding under desks when we were kids in case an atom bomb went off. They are destroying life in front of us. I left Florida early because I thought it was going to be free down there and people would be having a good time. Most people are masked up. People are running in fear and hysteria. This is going down like we've never seen before in world history. But don't worry, follow their orders, do as you're told. And don't forget, fly the Friendly Skies of United so they can F you. And I ordered a glass of wine, they bring it out in a crappy plastic glass. What the hell's the difference if you give me a glass or a plastic glass? Plastic doesn't take COVID. Glass does. Oh, and when they fed the pilots, they had nice meals. I saw it because I was the first class, I was right the first seat up. But the rest of us, I want my money back, you slimy little lowlife. Anyway, don't forget, do what they tell you, obey orders. European stocks close lower as ECB hints on further stimulus. Hints on further stimulus, more monetary methadone injected into the system. The thing's going down big time and nobody can save it. Hey, but gold prices went down because the dollar went up. Turkey's lira sinks against the dollar, hits a new low for the first time. One new low after another. And Turkey, where's Turkey? Oh, they're only in Libya. Oh, I think they're in Syria too. Hey, we got to stop them Armenians. We only slaughtered them back in 1918, 17. We got to do it again. Let's help Azerbaijan. Yeah, oh no, hey, you Greeks, that land is ours in the water over there. We're going to get the oil. They're going down big time. When all else fails, they take you to war. And that's where they're going. Eurozone banks, weary of surge of bad loans. Can't figure it out. How come they became weary of it? Look, we've been talking about this for months. February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. We're going into November. Eurobanks weary. You see the crap that they're shoving down your throat, and that's why you subscribe to the Trends Journal. We give the information before anybody else, anywhere, anytime. Everything that's happening now, you knew it first. So please, tell your friends, subscribe to the Trends Journal. We have to keep freedom, peace, liberty, love, and joy and beauty alive because these low-life crapsters are robbing it from us right in front of our eyes. AMD agrees to buy. Who are they going to buy? Xenix for $35 billion. I'm mentioning this because the bigs are getting bigger. Hey, you got $35 billion you can loan me so I can buy somebody else out? Everybody else is going out of business. The bigs are only going to get bigger, and all we are plantation workers on the global plantation of Slavelandia. And more stimulus steps needed, officials say. Canada's two top economic policymakers said Wednesday that extraordinary fiscal and monetary stimulus are here for the foreseeable future. Monetary stimulus, not monetary stimulus, monetary methadone. The money isn't worth crap. Oh, and by the way, we said it, we told you, it happened. Bitcoin, bop, over 13,000. And I am very positive, not positive, I am very, in the sense of, that I believe that gold and silver are going to go way above where they are. And silver is going to rise at a higher price when this whole thing collapses in terms of percentage-wise increases. Boeing to chop another 11,000 positions. Don't worry about it. Everything will be fine. ExxonMobil, 1,900 jobs gone. Don't worry about it. It'll be great. At British Petroleum, 5 quarters of losses. Low oil prices, weaker trading results, and slim refining margins hurt bottom line. Oil prices remain around a third below where they were a year earlier. You got it? You got it? Supply and demand. This thing is going down like we've never seen in our lifetime. Raytheon cuts more jobs to fit downturn in jetliner demand. Can't one understand why jetliner demand is down? Mounting unpaid rent risks U.S. tidal wave of evictions. Don't worry about it. We'll take care of it. Delinquent mall owners face foreclosures. No, everything's coming back. It will be fine. The recovery is there. You elect me, I'll fix it. More constructioners report canceled projects than starts, survey finds. This is from the Associated General Contractors of America, released today. More contractors report canceled projects than starts. So this real estate bubble that we had, bye-bye, bye-bye, until they lower interest rates into 0%. because there was a surprise drop in September home sales as buyers are priced out. Not buyers are priced out, buyers are screwed out. Hey, 100,000 jobs Amazon's going to have. Yeah, get a job there. It's great. Yeah, you lift them packages. Oh, we'll have a robot do it. We'll get rid of them. You get rid of you later. But, you can make $62.50 a week when you take it home after the taxes and a hernia, and you'll be fine. Yeah. Evictions in apartments everywhere. This thing's going down big. Toyota, I'm mentioning this, Toyota recalling 5.84 million vehicles for fuel pump issue. I'm mentioning this because I wrote in the Trends Journal about 3 years ago that these self-driving cars are nothing more than that Silicon Valley bullshit. You got it. 5.84 million vehicles, a few pump issues, week after week. Oh, the car, the door won't open, the jumps up. And you're going to have self-driving vehicles? Forget about it. Face masks to fuel Etsy's momentum. Etsy's going way up. Masks have played a big role in Etsy's run. I mention this because now people are wearing fashionable face masks. So when they bend over and take it, they have a beautiful mask on so they can hide who they are and don't have to be out in present. Look how low people are going. Look at the crap. Oh, wait a minute. Whoop, I'm back. Here I am with my face mask. Matter of fact, I should be wearing one now because I don't want to give anybody the virus. So I'll take one out here. It's just like these little slimy, little low-life pieces of crap, what they call reporters, with the microphone in front of their face doing, we got a over here. This is Joe Blow from CNN, blah, 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 blah. And they got a mask on in the middle of nowhere. You know what these masks are? Useless. Right here on the package, it tells you these masks do not eliminate exposure to the risk of any disease or infection. Got it? Got it? See it? Stupids! All you little jerk-offs wearing these because my governor told me to do it. I listened to them. I'm a dumbo-crap. I'm a jerk-off. I'm a moron. I'm an imbecile. I'm a repulsive-kin. I do what I says they tell me to do. And you got to wear this crap everywhere. Don't you realize what they're doing? They're stealing the human spirit out of our lives right in front of us. Right in front of us. Hey, but buy those masks at Etsy's. Be fashionable. And one article after another. Museums not going to make it in New York City. City Ballet won't return to stage until fall 2021. Why, I say don't go fall. I think winter. I think winter's better than fall. Let's make up any crap we can. New York City falling behind in its recovery. No, hey, remember little Andy Cuomo? Yeah, the daddy's boy born on third base and so he did a home run. We're going to have it's going to be recorded in history as the biggest bounce back ever. Yeah. Don't forget to vote. Don't forget to vote. States facing historic cash crisis. No kidding. Can't figure it out, but we'll fix it. We'll raise your taxes, little people of Slavelandia, because I'm a slimy politician, and I don't have to work and never did in my life. Been sucking off the public tit, like Joe Biden, 47 years. Woo! Lot of public tit that guy sucked off. And matter of fact, they have some pictures of him doing it. Maybe, but they don't worry about getting money. They steal it from you, and that's what they're doing. They're raising taxes everywhere. That little wanker Murphy over there in Jersey, he raised the gas taxes on all the little people when you pump it in your car of Slavelandia. And what else we have? Cuts hit bone at pandemic saps colleges. The colleges are going down. To show you the imbecilic nature of what happened to the human spirit, these 4 products are flying off the shelves as COVID surges. This is from Yahoo. Yeah, F you, Yahoo, putting crap out like this, but they keep putting it out day after day after day, and the people are in fear. You ready? Here they are. Number 1, ba-ba-ba-bum, frozen foods. Keep eating that crap. Wonder why you're dying. Keep putting on that weight from eating crap. Frozen foods, number 1. Who's dying from this? Obesity, type 2 diabetics. Yeah, and people with 2.6 pre-existing chronic conditions. Number 2, cleaning products. Wash those hands. Sanitize yourself. Stay clean. Don't get dirty. Soda and chips. You got it. You got it. Eating more crap. Eating more crap. It's crapster society. And paper products. Keep wiping it. Keep wiping it. You can't make this stuff up. The first thing people did when the panic hit, they bought toilet paper. Shows you what assholes they are. And what else do we have? Germany and France announced new nationwide lockdowns. Great. It'll be great for business. It'll destroy millions of lives. You're going to start seeing riots going on like we've never seen. The winter's coming. It's going to go down real bad. And what else? Hey, you ready? Presidential reality show as we wrap it up. This is the kind of prostitute crap that they sell us from the Cartoon News Network, CNN. This is the headline story just before I got on the air. 2 people who attended Trump's rally in North Carolina have tested positive for coronavirus. 2 people out of how many? Wait, 10,000? 5,000? 2,000? Testing positive? Oh, what's the recovery rate? Oh, only 99.98% from people 1 to 50 years old. And they make this news. That's why people are freaked out. This thing's going down like we've never seen before in our lives. President Trump has urged states to shun lockdowns. Hey, take a look at your cover of your Trends Journal. Not this week, but last week. Lockdowns versus no lockdowns. We said this would be the campaign slogan, and now it's happening right at the end. Campaigns line up their lawyers for contested elections. Very big, very important. They know it's going to be contested. This thing's going to go on. And what else do we have here? New Yorkers urged to avoid holiday travel. Some jerk off, this little clown boy, de Blasio, telling people what to do, and they buy the crap. And that other Slimer down there in Jersey, Moithy, another garbage man that locked down the joint because people are dying down there. Where are they dying from? Nursing homes. That's right. They're one of the highest nursing home death rates from coronavirus than most of the states. But this is the news that's buried. Veterans home face coronavirus probe. They're lying about the numbers of people that died there. Over 50% of the people around the globe that have died are elderly people from nursing homes. In Italy, where Conte, and you could take out that O and stick a U in there, are dying are over 80 years old. But you're never going to die. You're never going to die. Oh, keep eating those frozen foods. Wash your hands. Buy that toilet paper. And drink plenty of soda and eat chips. You'll be fine. And then finally, Glenn Greenwald resigns from The Intercept because they suppressed the Biden story of his little boy Hunter with the dirty deal. This is Glenn Greenwald, The Intercept. Please do what you can to support the Trends Journal. Tell your friends, do anything you can to support us. We're putting the truth out there, and censorship is hitting big time. You read that article in the Trends Journal this week, and we've been talking about this for years, by Stephen Green. Censorship is going to continue on and on. They're robbing us of our freedom right in front of our eyes. If we don't unite for liberty, love, joy, and beauty, all aboard! Next train to Auschwitz. So do what you can to please support us. Thank you. This is Gerald Salenti, and that's some of today's Trends in the News. The COVID-19 war has changed the world, but who's prepared? What's next? It's in your Trends Journal. Trends Journal subscribers are prepared. Subscribe to the Trends Journal. Read history before it happens. From the world leader in trend forecasting.